all my beautiful souls, light workers, star seeds, earth angels, and all my spiritual soul family. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. Myself, Miss Parhevarsha. I am a life coach, a soul healer, motivator, consciousness mentor, heart alchemist, divine feminine, Orion starseed, Heyoka empath, INFJA, unique soul, and a divine earth angel. I welcome back to you on my YouTube channel, Heaven's Blessing Flying Angel Rano. And for today's video, to become your greatest version, it's very necessary and important to know the self mastery. So, for today's video, we're gonna know about the 7 hermetic principles which I talked about in my previous video, and I said you all that I will be speaking on each of the topic in brief. So today we'll go with a brief with each and every single topic, and this topic will be the first law, the first principle from the 7 hermetic principles, which is the principle of mentalism. Let's see brief knowledge about the principle of mentalism. What is the principle of mentalism? So, the first law is the principle of mentalism. The all is mind and the universe is mental. The first principle embodies the truth that all is mind, meaning that the universe itself at an underlying and foundational level is mental, that all the phenomena of life, matter and energy of the material universe are thoughts of an infinite and universal living mind, which means all things share a connection in the fact they exist within the mind of the all, as it is put, and therefore are all subject to the laws of created things. This mental universe, for the sake of experiment, could be explained as an infinite intelligence, intelligent field, and even the nature of consciousness itself, creating a dialogue of thought which dances with thought. The principle of mentalism also explains the nature of energy, power, and matter as being subordinate to the mind, as it shows up within ourselves and the pervading nature of all the things. When you view everything, you think and therefore do. As an interaction of thought with thought, you develop an understanding of the first principle of mentalism, which allows you to grasp the laws of the mental universe, being the 7 hermetic principles, and apply them to your well-being and personal advancement. Like using the knowledge of the principle of polarity, which is the 4th hermetic principle, to understand that love and hate are the same intensity of emotion, varying only in the degree. And though the power of the mind can be transferred from one degree to another by the power of objective thinking and conscious choice, the two emotions maintain their intensity, only changing in degree to suit whatever outcome and experience you most desire. This is possibly by the law of mentalism to influence other laws and the ability for the mental plane to influence what happens on the other planes. In Hermeticism, there are many descriptions of different planes, levels or dimensions of existence that overlay atop one another. They are usually depicted as the layers of a concentric circle, where the inner layers are more foundational and influence the outer layers. In Hermeticism, there are 3 great planes: the mental plane, the physical plane, and the spiritual plane, which have varying lesser planes between them that differ in degrees between the undifferentiated matter and spirit. From a first-person perspective, the mental plane is experienced simply as thought, insight, intuition, and reason. But wisdom of how this plane corresponds with other, unseen or casual planes tells us that there may be more to our thoughts than we perceive, that our thoughts are not tied simply to the physical plane and have an effect on an energetic and spiritual level, which is less obvious but still very real. This principle is what allows the student to apply their mental faculty to leverage all other laws, almost perceiving thought as the operating system that allows us to interface with other layers of being, to anticipate other natural and energetic laws and cause them to occur in ways that benefit us, making a science of all the phenomena of the universe, because all other planes still exist within the realm of a mental universe and therefore can be reasoned with through the principal David can take down Goliath. Man can explore the moon, and we can reason with all phenomena of the mental universe. So that's all for today, guys. I hope so you must be knowing and understanding about this information which I have shared with you today, and I hope so this video and this information resonates with you all, and you all have must been understood and got to know more knowledge in this video content. And for more empowering and inspiring information like this, please subscribe to my channel, and also like, share and comment about your queries, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I publish new content. If you want to ask any question or have any doubt or query, you can also follow me on Instagram at Heaven's Blessing Flying Angel Ranu and DM me. I will see you all guys in my next video. Till then, take care. God bless you all. Be kind to yourself and to others. Surrender yourself to universe and just let go. Keep in mind that you should love what you do and do what you love. And always surrender to the universe and keep the attitude of gratitude. Thank you guys. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching this video. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care.